Removing a payment method from Gmail is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is updated or removed as needed. Step 1. Open Google Account Settings. Go to your Google account by visiting My Account, Google.com. Sign in if prompted and navigate to the Payments and Subscriptions section. Step 2. Access payment methods. In the Payments and Subscriptions section, click on Manage Payment Methods. This will display all the payment methods linked to your account. Step 3. Select the payment method. Find the payment method you wish to remove. Click on the 3 dots of the edit option next to the payment method for further options. Step 4. Remove the payment method. Choose the Remove option from the drop-down menu. Confirm your decision when prompted to ensure the payment method is deleted from your account. Step 5. Verify removal. After removing the payment method, double-check the list of payment methods to ensure it no longer appears. This confirms that the payment method has been successfully removed. By following these steps, you can easily manage your payment method in Gmail. If you have any further questions, feel free to consult Google's help resources.